In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to connect your YouTube to Google Data Studio. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube, and to connect our account into Google Data Studio, you would need to go into Google Studio, Google Looker Studio, because this is the new name of Google Data Studio. Once you're here, click on the first link, and then you will need to sign in and set up your account here into Looker Studio. And now you would want to click here into blank report. From here, you would need to enter your country. So in my case, I'll just go for US right here. So I'm going to go for United States, and then company is Shooters, for example, and click here on the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and click on continue. And from here, you want to select which updates you want to receive. So I would like to go for no on everything. And then once you're done, you will now be prompted here and click on blank report now to start in connecting our YouTube in here. And once you're here, you'd be prompted with this one to add data to report. And what we want is the YouTube analytics, which is below. So we want to scroll down and we should see that right here. So we would want to connect to Google YouTube Analytics and click here on Authorize. And then simply just select your account in here and then click on Authorize. In my case, I can click on Authorize because I don't have permission yet to share data here on our channel. But yeah, once you click here on Authorize, you should now be able to see the channel accounts in here on YouTube that you'd be able to connect here into Google Data Studio in order for you to be able to add the data in here into your reports, and then you'd be able to add some graphs and everything right here. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to add your YouTube to Google Data or Google Looker Studio. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.